Hello, testing. Attention! An announcement po para po dun sa mga performers natin, especially yung grade 5 Sentex, followed by Dunamis. Ayan, may special number ang ating mga mami. Okay, there you go. And of course, meron din pong special number ang ating birthday celebrant. Stand by for that. And also, later po, magkakaroon po tayo ng parlor games. We have saging eating contest. And palambutan daw ng talong. Ayan. Masaya yan. Palambutan ng talong. And yung saeg. Later po yan. Stand by for that. And